Community engagement has been at the heart of the Source to Tap project. By training volunteers in water quality monitoring methods like Riverfly monitoring, we have helped them become custodians of their local waterways. In the Riverfly monitoring technique, a sample of small aquatic insects called macroinvertebrates are collected from the riverbed. As some macroinvertebrates are more sensitive to pollution than others, the type and number of species recorded can tell us a lot about the health of that section of river. And using a standardised technique as outlined by the Riverfly partnership allows for comparison over time and across different locations. The first step for every Riverfly monitoring session is to assess the health and safety considerations. This includes checking how easy it is to access the river, the speed and depth of the water, making sure you're wearing the correct safety equipment, and telling someone where you are. Training on the Riverfly sampling methodology is provided through the Riverfly partnership.
Stoneflies like really fast flowing water, and some of the others you'll find prefer the slower moving water, so we're going to go in, do a shuffle for 15 to 20 seconds, so put our net in, make sure that it's just far enough away from our feet, do a bit of a shuffle, ensuring that the majority of what we're shuffling is captured in our net, 15 to 20 seconds, and then we're going to stop. So each start, we stop and start our watch, and then we continue, and then once we've done our 3 minutes, we'll go over, we will tip our net into our bucket, give it a good wash, and then go through our net with either the brush or our fingers. And what we're going to do is we're going to pick out all the small bugs that are attached to the net. We're going to also do a 1 minute stone search where we pick up the stones, lift them up, look underneath, any of the wee beasties, wee invertebrates that are crawling about there, whether they're the ones we want or not, we're going to pop those into our net or our bucket as well, and then those will all be brought back to the centre for ID. Once we're finished with that and have done our 1 minute stone search, we're going to empty the contents into the tray, set the tray down nice and flat, let everything settle out, and then once the bugs have settled down, we can start to go through the identification process. So we're just looking at for 8 groups, and hopefully we'll get a good mixture of all of those.
In total, we have trained 43 volunteers through the Source to Tap project to carry out Riverfly monitoring safely and correctly. They will continue to carry out monitoring work on the cross-border Erne and Derg catchments beyond the life of the project. Through the training, volunteers have learned about the connection between the health of their nearby rivers and lakes and the water that comes out of our taps. For more information, visit www.sourcetotap.eu.